Why do satellites have to perform frequent orbital maneuvers? Have you ever wondered why satellites seem to be constantly adjusting their positions in space? The answer lies in the need for frequent orbital maneuvers. These maneuvers are essential for keeping satellites on track and functioning properly. Let's break down the reasons behind this necessity. First, satellites are influenced by various gravitational forces. The Earth, Moon, Sun, and even other celestial bodies can pull on satellites, causing their orbits to shift over time. For instance, geostationary satellites can drift out of their designated positions due to the gravitational pull of the Moon and Sun. To counteract this, satellites perform maneuvers to correct their paths and stay in their assigned orbital slots. Next, many satellites, especially those in geostationary orbit, must maintain precise positions. They often have to stay within a very tight range, sometimes within plus or minus 0.1 degrees. This precision is vital for reliable communication and to avoid interference with other satellites. To achieve this, satellites carry out station-keeping maneuvers. The frequency of these maneuvers can vary based on the propulsion system used. For example, chemical thrusters may requiring less frequent but more powerful adjustments, while electric propulsion can allow for smaller, more frequent corrections. Satellites in low Earth orbit face another challenge: atmospheric drag. This drag gradually lowers their altitude, and without periodic boosts, they would eventually fall back to Earth. To combat this, satellites perform maneuvers to raise their orbits and extend their operational life. Additionally, solar radiation pressure can also affect their orbits, requiring further adjustments. Satellites may also need to change their orbits for specific mission requirements. This could involve moving to a higher or lower orbit or changing their inclination for better coverage. These adjustments are carefully planned to meet mission goals, such as improving Earth observation or communication capabilities. Lastly, even after planned maneuvers, small errors can occur. These could be due to thruster misalignment or timing inaccuracies. Ground teams continuously track satellites to detect any deviations. When necessary, they command additional maneuvers, known as orbit trim maneuvers, to keep the satellite on its intended path. In practical terms, these maneuvers are what keep satellites reliable and effective throughout their operational life. Without them, satellites would drift off course, lose communication links, or fail to provide accurate data. Mastering frequent and precise orbital maneuvers is essential for the success of satellite missions and the sustainability of space operations.